Come to exponential function, a real valued function f from set x to r. For the set x is subset of real set r is defined by f of x equal to a to the power x, where a is positive number, a is not equal to 1 and x is in real set is called an exponential function. For example, f of x equal to 2 to the power x, f of x equal to 3 power x, for f of x equal to 0.2 to the power x, etc. Properties of this exponential function. We see a power x plus y equal to a power x into a power y. A is greater than 0. Second, a power x to the power y equal to a power xy. Xy are real numbers. 3. A power x equal to 1 if and only if x equal to 0. If a is positive, a power x greater than a power y if and only if x greater than y. If we take a equal to e is a real number where e equal to 2.71828, an irrational number. Therefore, e power x for all x in the real set R is an exponential function, and its graph is, we take x axis, y axis is our origin. So if we put x equal to 0, e power 0 means 1, and so this is my graph of exponential function. Whenever x is negative value, e power negative value will be come down in this form. Okay. Now come to logarithmic function. By exponential function y equal to e power x, where e is an irrational number in between 2 and 3. Therefore, log y base e equal to x. We took logarithm. Now replacing y by x, we put y in place of x and x in place of y. So y equal to log x base e. X is a real number and x is positive. Therefore, we can define another function called logarithmic function. A function f maps from positive real set to real set is defined by f of x equal to log x base e. F of x equal to log x to the base e, where x is a positive number in the real set, is called logarithmic function, and its domain is positive real set look like x such that x is positive number, x is in real set, and the range is the real set. We have an example, f of x equal to log x base e, f of x equal to log 2x plus 1 base 2, etc. Come to the graph. The graph of f of x equal to log x base 10 is like this. This much is y equal to log x base 10. We see here log 2 base to the base 10. Log 2 to the base 10 is 0.3010. Log 3 to the base 10 is 0.4771, and log 1 to the base 10 is 0. We put these values, we locate the points 1 0, x value 1, y value 0, this x value 2, y value 0.3, this much, and x value 3, y value 0.4771 here. So this is my graph. Since log 0 is undefined, we know it. Log 0 is undefined. Log 0 base, any base a, this a is greater than 0, this value is undefined, it has no meaning, and we cannot find the value of log 0. Come to the trigonometric function. A function f from real set to the closed interval -1 plus 1 is defined by f of x equal to sin x for all x in the real set R, is called sine function. Its domain is the real set. The range set is -1 to +1, the closed interval. A function f from real set to the closed interval minus 1 to plus 1 is defined by f of x equal to cos x for all x in the set R is called cosine function and its domain is real set and range is minus 1 to plus 1 the closed interval. A function f from real set to real difference a collection of odd multiple of pi by 2 for all n belongs to z is defined by f of x equal to tan x for all x belongs to R is called tangent function. Its domain is the real set R. The range set is R difference the odd multiple of pi by 2 for all n belongs to z. A function f from real set difference collection of odd multiple of pi by 2 to real set is defined by f of x equal to sec x for all x in the real set R is called second function. Come to the trigonometric value table. We have a table sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, 0, pi by 6 radian, pi by 4 radian, pi by 3 radian, pi by 2 radian, 2 pi by 3, the 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 6, pi, 7 pi by 6. We have the table. Sine 0, 0, sine pi by 6 half, sine pi by 4 1 by root 2, sine pi by 3 root 3 by 2, sine pi by 2 is 1, sine 2 pi by 3 is root 3 by 2, sine 3 pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, sine 5 pi by 6 half, sine pi is 0, sine 7 pi by 6 is minus half and so on. Cos 0, 1, cos pi by 6 root 3 by 2, cos pi by 4 1 by root 2, cos pi by 3 1 by 2, cos pi by 2 0, cos 2 pi by 3 minus half, cos 3 pi by 4 minus 1 by 2, cos 5 pi by 6 minus root 3 by 2, cos pi is minus 1, 7 pi by 6 is minus root 3 by 2. And in this way I have written the table. My tan x is sin x by cos x, cot x is cos x by sin x. So we have taken the reciprocal of tan is cot, and for tan sin by cos, sin by cos, sin by cos we put here and got the values. Cot is reciprocal of tan x, sec x is 1 by cos x, cosec x is 1 by sin x. We know it in class 10. Come to the graph of sin x. Sin x means it is a trigonometric function and it is the beginning of the trigonometric function. The trigonometric concept, it is a concept in such a way that it gives first of ratios, then the ratios converted to function about the argument. Here we see sin x, x is my argument. As per the argument, this argument is taken as independent variable. So for different values of real values, for different real values we got, for different real values, that is 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2, 2 pi by 3, 3 pi by 4, pi by 6. In this way all are real values. If we put the real values, the sin value will be indifferent. It is a function. It is a function, so it is sin function. We have a graph. The graph will look like sin 0, 0, sin pi by 2 half, sin pi 0, sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1, sin minus pi by 2 is minus 1. In this way we have the graph. Similarly cos x. So cos 0 is 1, cos pi by 6. Here is a pi by 6, 0.8 something we can find here. In this way we have plotted this graph. This sin graph, this is the cos graph. Earlier we have defined sin x has the domain real set and has the range minus 1 to plus 1. This curve lying between in this range minus 1 to plus 1. Similarly cos has the range minus 1 to plus 1, the closed interval. As earlier, the domain of sin is real set and the range of sin is minus 1 to plus 1, the closed interval. Similarly, domain of cos is real set and range set is minus 1 to plus 1, the closed interval.